In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers MailerLite. We'll walk through the full process step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to download your subscriber list as a file you can use in other tools, share with your team, or simply keep as a backup. First, open your browser and log into your MailerLite account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Subscribers. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your subscriber list. Here, you'll see all the people who are currently on your list, usually displayed in a table with columns like name, email address, status, and other details. Before exporting, decide whether you want to download all subscribers or just a specific group. To select subscribers individually, look at the left side of each row in the list. You'll see a small checkbox next to each subscriber. Click the checkbox for every subscriber you want to include in your export. If you prefer to export everyone in that view, look at the very top of the table in the header row. There should be a checkbox there as well. When you check that box, MailerLite will automatically select all subscribers currently displayed in the list. Once you've made your selection, move to the top of the list and find the Actions drop-down button. Click on Actions and you'll see a menu of options. From that menu, choose either Export CSV or Export CSV for Excel. Both options will give you a file in CSV format, which is a common file type for spreadsheets. The difference is that Export CSV for Excel is formatted specifically to open cleanly in Microsoft Excel. If you're planning to work in Excel, that's usually the best choice. If you're importing into another tool or a different spreadsheet program, the regular CSV export will also work well. After you click your preferred export option, MailerLite will start preparing your file. Look toward the top of the subscriber list area and you'll see a small notification or status message indicating that your file is being prepared. This may take a few seconds if you have a large list. When the file is ready, a download link or button will appear in that same area. Click Download and your browser will save the file to your computer, typically in the default Downloads folder. To find it, open your File Explorer or Finder, go to the Downloads folder, and look for a file with a .csv extension. You can now open it in Excel or another spreadsheet tool, or upload it into another email platform as needed.